Hi, my name is Maria Fernandez, and I am a creative community herbalist. And in today's episode, I have collected some thyme from my garden, and thyme is so delicious. I love making a 4-herb chicken, which has thyme, oregano, rosemary, and sage. And obviously some salt and other ingredients, but thyme is delicious when I make lentils. And you know, autumn is here, and before this plant goes dormant, I want to make use of it by making it into a vinegar. Herbal vinegars are so easy to make, and this is thyme is part of the mint family, and it's so aromatic, right? And so I am looking forward to having this. I already have mint vinegar chives, and so adding thyme vinegar to my collection of herbal infused vinegar is going to be quite a delightful experience. I'm looking forward for the taste, and just to be able to cook with it. And you know, the reason why we use vinegars to cook with is to extract minerals out of our vegetables and out of bones. So when you're creating oxtail soup or any soup that has bones, like beef stews and stuff like that, the vinegar will act up and get into the bones of the let's say oxtail soup or the beef bones, and get that calcium available in the soup for those that are eating it. So calcium also is one of the reasons why we want to have the use of the herbs. For example, I made a motherwort vinegar. It has a lot of calciums and minerals, and vinegar allows for these to be released by the herb into the menstruum, which is the vinegar. I am stuffing this little jar. It's about 16 ounces, and then I'm going to fill it all the way to the top with vinegar, and then I'll label it. And after labeling, I will put this in my cupboard for about 6 weeks, and then voila, it's ready to be used. People normally drink apple cider vinegar, like a spoon or two, if they want to lose weight, or they're using it for like some of the reasons people use it is for like diabetes, or it removes like fat from your body, helps you go to the bathroom, it helps like your pH levels. And so, you know, one fun way to drink your the vinegar, apple cider vinegar, is to, like, you know, create this herbal infused vinegar and just like enjoy the flavors. You know, like the mint one tastes delicious, and create a routine, you know, where you create your own dressing instead of buying the store ones. You could add olive oil and this apple cider vinegar, and you have yourself a really good dressing for your salad or your vegetables. I love putting a tablespoon or two when I'm cooking like my kale and my collard greens for an hour. I make sure I put vinegar into it so that more of the vegetables nutrients are available for me when I eat them. So that's the reason why you want so I'm labeling my bottle thyme vinegar with today's date, 10/14/20. So this will be ready in 6 weeks, maybe like by Thanksgiving. So it's exciting because in Thanksgiving, then I get to offer my guests at Thanksgiving meal delicious thyme vinegar, right? It makes an amazing gift. So this is a great idea for the holidays. I mean, you could get like cute little bottles, you know, that they sell at like for $1, and like, you know, just put the vinegar and say, here you go, a beautiful herbal infused vinegar for your health. And so it's great. It's super easy. You saw me talking and doing a video. So it's not that complicated. I know you could do it. I know anyone could do it. Just get, you know, recycle some of your jar, use some of your apple cider vinegar, and buy the little pot plant of, you know, thyme or mint, or whichever mint family you like, sage, whichever you're attracted to, and try it. Experiment. It's so much fun. And if you have a garden, you know, before the winter comes, like, make use of your plants. Harvest time is now. There's so much harvesting going on right now, and it's beautiful to be able to enjoy what's left of the season of the plant, right, before it all goes to sleep. And so it's a blessing to be able to, like, you know, be able to keep the medicine and the energy of this plant that was giving me joy by looking at it. And every time I had to cook with it, I just came out and pulled some out of, put some of that thyme into my food, and it was infused with that love, with that that reality. And so I encourage you to try this. I encourage anyone watching this to create your own little garden, even if it's with just little pot plants in your porch, you know, or in your windowsill, you know, one plant at a time, and just like work with that plant. So they say, like, one of the greatest people that are herbalists, right, they know how to use a plant in 40 different ways, right? I'm still trying to learn a plant in many multiple ways. And that's what it is. Like, it's not about like, I know these many plants and the many names and the uses. No, it's using what you have and making so many different things with it. That is the real beauty and wisdom and knowledge and expertise. That's where it comes from trying, learning, and then, you know, sharing that, because sharing is caring, right? Well, thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and I hope you have a beautiful, blissful, and blessed day. Satnam.